Hey guys, this is how my girlfriend and I did 5 million euros in dropshipping in just under 2 years. If you are watching this, you might think dropshipping is dead, and there are many reasons why you may think this is true. If you just follow these 5 golden rules, there's no chance in the world you will fail at this, and this is what made us $5 million in revenue. So this first rule applies to every business and every hard venture that you want to accomplish in your life, okay? So when my girlfriend and I were just getting started, we had 2,000 euros. We spent it almost all on Facebook ads without knowing a single thing. And the only thing we did right is we kept going and we kept learning from different people, from different YouTube channels. For example, Ecom, Gabriel Saint Germain, what else? All of these old school dropshipping channels is what really taught us how to do it. When we were spending 100 euros on Facebook ads per day with getting 0 sales in return, there was not a single day we thought, oh my God, we have to stop. We can't go on like this. When we almost ran out of money, we just kept learning, kept grinding, and got more money from a job. In total, it took us more than 6 months to find our first winning product, which we actually stole from a Ecom video. Golden rule number 2 is the dropship mentality, and what does that entail? Okay, you have to make sure you know what you're starting. And dropshipping is all about fixing problems, okay? And stuff will eventually break. That means that payment processors will probably hold your money. PayPal will shut down your account. Facebook will shut down your account. A competitor will steal your ads and you can do nothing about it. Now, the most important thing is that you can handle those problems mentally and don't see them as problems, but as part of the dropshipping business model, because that's what it is. The only way to fix this is to create systems so you can handle those breaking points, and when something breaks, you can instantly replace it. Golden rule number 3 is that you don't want to follow the masses. What I often see when doing my product research and checking my competitors, I see that their layout is all screwed up. I see that their languages are wrong. I see that their ads are just completely shit quality. If you just add 5 minutes to perfect the layout, to check the copy, is it converting enough? Okay, it will add to your skill, it'll add to your conversion rate, and if you just improve your slight competitive edge, it'll have massive effect in the long run. Golden rule number 4 is that you want to outsource fast, but not too fast. You want to get things off your chest, you want to be able to scale, so you need people to join your team. The mistake that I made is I outsourced way too soon. I tried to create a team way too fast, way too many people, way too quickly, which kind of broke the whole system. You need to have a complete understanding of your business before you can start outsourcing. You need to know what type of product pages convert. You need to know what type of Facebook ads work. You need to know an ad strategy. You need to know how to fulfill and how to do customer service. You have to be able to replicate all this knowledge into SOP so your team can learn this as well and execute like you can. If you outsource too fast and you don't have the right system set up yet, this could lead to a disaster. You can lose a lot of money, you can waste people's time. The people you outsource are actual people, don't forget. They need money. You can't just hire someone for a week and then fire them because you hired too fast. Now what happens when you hire too slow is you become an employee in your own company without knowing. Now it's very easy to get stuck in doing the same things every day because it's working. But if you want to scale, you really need to let go of certain things and hire people. The 5th and the last golden rule is a rule that I see everyone break in dropshipping. They spend all their cash after having a little bit of success. You really don't want to spend all the cash you just made on your first winning product by traveling, buying some expensive food, expensive clothes, whatever it may be you like. Keep the cash, use it to create new systems, hire new people, expand your knowledge, buying, coaching, whatever it may be, to just keep going and growing the business. Don't spend your first cash. So these were the 5 golden rules we follow to go to 5 million in sales in 2 years. As I said guys, I want to drop as much value on this channel as I can about dropshipping. So I will be uploading an entire video series on how to go from 0 to 5k a day in sales completely for free on this channel. So please stay tuned, all the secrets will be revealed. Now make sure you're subscribed and you like this video because my next content is going to be very valuable. Peace!